Welcome to Fuerteventura. In the back, you can see the constructions of in total 60 terraced houses. The complex is called Costa Lobos, which is in the urbanization called Casilla de Costa, right in front of Villaverde, this way. I got a wonderful view. This direction, I can see the west. No, this is the west coast. Over there is our sister Ana Lanzarote. And in this direction, you can see the east coast with the grandest playas of Coralejo. So, already 20 of the first phase, 36 villas have been sold out of the books. So there's only a bunch, a dozen, 15 left. But there will be an additional construction of 24 in the future. If you need further details, please check our website. Here is the link, and it will be also embedded in the content of this video. Feel free to hit us anytime with a message, and you'll find all the contact details also on our website. So, have fun! See you soon on Fuerteventura. Bye!